guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm doing something very different and for the first time. Today I am attempting to try and color my hair at home, which is very new for me. This is the first time that I'm coloring my hair at home or a salon, anywhere. I've never ever colored my hair and this would be the first time. If I tell you a little brief about my hair, then so I had chemically treated hair, and from past 2.5 years I've not done anything. Some of you also suggested in the comment section below, Sana, please try some hairstyle changes, some hair color change, something like that. So I thought, why not give it a go, and if I can do it at home, then why not, of course. So I'll be using this hair color. This is LOrealParis Casting Crème Gloss Ultra Visible, and this has no ammonia. It has conditioning color into it, and it has a vibrant color to illuminate dark hair. So I'll be trying this one out. This is going to give 5 times glossier hair, shinier hair, and 93% less breakage, which I'm really looking forward to, because one thing also is a factor that after dyeing your hair, a lot of hair fall is something that you would experience. So I don't want to go through that. I already have very less hair. The LOrealParis ka dye is nothing new for me. I've seen it growing up in my house forever, like since I can remember. And the shade that I'm going for is 566. This is cherry burgundy. This is what my present hair is like, you know. This jharu hair, which is slightly light brown in color. It's all dead, honestly, and it does not have any shine or anything like that. So I'll be trying out this hair color and let's see if it makes any difference. And if it does, I'm going to be really happy, because I'm looking for some change in my life, honestly, and I'm trying the first change with my hair color, and I'm doing it for the first time. So let's just do it. I'll do it in front of the camera. I'll tell you how to go about coloring your hair if you're a beginner, and if you're also planning to color your hair from the comforts of your home. The best part I think about this one is that it has all the components. It is very hassle free. You can do it from home and it's very quick, just 30 minutes, like application time ke baad, just 30 minutes more, and you're done after washing your hair, which is the best thing. And let me just quickly tell you about LOrealParis as a brand. So LOrealParis is the #1 hair color brand in the world, and they have launched a new range of gorgeous ultra visible vibrant shades. This is called as Casting Crème Gloss Ultra Visible. They have really vibrant shades in this that you can obviously choose as per your liking, and it also claims that the color in the hair would last up to 32 hair washes, which is very good, I think, in my opinion. 2-3 months to around, so you can actually flaunt your hair with a beautiful gorgeous color. Also, what I would say about this particular dye is that you do not need to bleach your hair. This is cherry burgundy, and if I had to apply a regular colored dye, I would first bleach my hair and then go about a colored dye like this one. I can straight away go ahead and apply this. Applying it is very simple. I'll just tell you in a little bit. And it delivers visible color even on dark hair due to its superior formulation, and makes the hair 5 times more shinier, more glossier, and will give you 93% less breakage. So the color that I mentioned that I would be trying today is 566 cherry burgundy. This particular hair color costs for rupees 650, but they have also other base colors that are priced at rupees 550, and you can choose whichever color that you like, and of course that suits you. All the details are mentioned in the packaging. I will quickly open it and show you guys everything that is you know, here in this box. Before you color your hair or use any dye, you do a patch test just to see if you have any allergy or anything towards any ingredient in the dye or the hair color. You can do the patch test here at the nape of your neck. So the packaging, as you can see, I've opened it in front of you, and I will show you all the components of this particular box. The first is colorant Crème that has no ammonia into it. This is the cream that you would be mixing with this. This is a developer cream. Then it comes with its own manual, and along with it also there are these gloves. So in the box, one thing that I absolutely love is the shine mask with royal jelly. I have used this conditioner regardless of whether I've colored my hair or not. However, this is meant for colored hair. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is open this developer bottle. It has the developer creme into it, and then I will empty this tube into this developer creme. And the way you open is you take the back of the cap and just push it through the nozzle so that you open the seal packaging and empty this entire thing in this bottle. We do not need any kind of a hairbrush, the coloring brush or anything. It is very easy. So I've emptied the colorant creme in this developer. Now I'll close this thing up and just shake it very nicely. Just this tip over here. I'll just quickly show you. So you have to break this tip off, but I'm going to shake it a little while more. Forgive me, this is a kitchen scissor that I'm using. I'm going to cut this part. Okay. So I start the process of coloring my hair and doing something different to my hair today, and so for that, let's quickly get started. So guys, as you can see behind me, I have the color and everything mixed up in this particular developer creme bottle, and I'm going to just wet my hair. It is always advisable to, you know, apply Vaseline here on your forehead, around your ear, at the back. So I've wet my hair. Just quickly going to comb it. So now I'm going to section my hair, tie this bit in a knot here, secure it, and then section this part again. So I think it has, and I will evenly just pull it downwards and put every strand in this mixed developer and the creme concoction. That's what I'm going to call it. Do the same here on this side as well. It's very, very easy. The best part, you do not need any kind of a brush or anything like that. The time that it takes to apply the cream, I think just 10 minutes maximum, not more than that. Just take all the hair and make a bun. It's not messy at all, it is hassle free, and it takes such a less time. Just make a bun, secure it with a clutch or anything, and you're done. I'm going to leave this hair dye for 30 minutes and I will show you the result in 30 minutes. I'll just take some more and kind of. So this is hassle free, drip free, and takes a really less time. I'm going to get back after 30 minutes and show you the result of this dye. So guys, after rinsing my hair, I'm using this shine mask with royal jelly, and this actually leaves the hair really shiny, very, very healthy, and very soft, manageable, and everything. It is really an amazing product. So guys, I'm just out of the shower right now, and this is what the hair actually looks like. It is much more shinier, as you can see, but it is wet also. So let me just quickly dry it and then get back to you. Hi guys, so welcome back. I've just dried my hair and I have used this Philips heating brush. That's about it. I've not used any straightening iron or anything like that, but my hair feels so soft, so smooth. It looks very, very shiny and glossy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm just loving the feel of my hair, and honestly, it was such a luxurious experience to have colored my hair. I went for a really sober color because I did not want that really pop of color, because I'm trying color change for the first time, and I really like it. I like how natural it looks. I'm very happy with how everything has turned out, and I have totally thoroughly enjoyed the experience. Honestly guys, the shine mask with the royal jelly is such an amazing product, and so it has made my hair not only just shinier and glossier, but it feels so soft and so smooth. It has literally given my hair that shine, that nourishment, that glossiness that I've been looking for, and I'm very happy with the result. I'm very, very happy with the outcome. So I really put this product to the test. I was initially worried about coloring my hair at home, but my hair feels so shiny, so healthy, and the quality of my hair looks better. Of course, you can tell from the before and after, and it is so much worth it that I cannot rave enough about it, guys. I would totally recommend this particular hair color to you guys. If you're looking for some change, some vibrant change, go with the funky colors, the beautiful colors that this particular range of hair color has launched. Go ahead, try it out, and let me know what you think about it. If you've already tried it, let me know what your experience has been, because mine has been so great so far. My hair feels very good. I feel very confident about my hair today, and it's just shinier and beautiful and glossy and looks so nourished. I'm going to leave the direct link of the product in the description box below. You can check that out, and also in the comment section I would love to know your opinion, your feedback about this particular hair color. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, I love you. Bye.